Alright, so welcome guys. This is an introduction to your basic Fireskin360 package. We have a jar of base gel here, which is going to be the big container. Then there's a small tube of fire gel, and there's a nozzle that you can use to screw onto the tube of the fire gel to make a bit wider strip of fire gel. Then there's some spatulas to use for manipulating the base gel onto your arms or wherever you want to put it. And then we have the cloth, the famous cloth. I'll get back to that in a second. This is not included in the package, but you will need a lighter, you will need some paper tissues or towels to actually wipe off the base gel, because if you use a regular cotton towel it will be destroyed. And just some water for safety, and of course you also have like a ton of fire extinguishers down there. Not saying that you should also have that many for this. This is just a small demonstration. As long as you feel safe, as long as everybody is safe, then yeah, we're all happy. So the base gel, we have a video showing how to apply this and how to do multiple burns with the same patch of base gel, and I'm gonna link it right up here, and I will definitely encourage you to see that, because it's going to save you a lot of base gel. But so what I want to show you today is actually how to use the cloth, and how easy you can actually set up multiple pieces of base gel patches and transfer it to you really easily, without having to sculpt too much. So there's a piece of cloth here. I've just taken the same thing and I've put it out like so. You can see here. I'm gonna apply base gel to this. I'm just gonna open up this one. Now base gel can stay fresh for as long as you just keep it away from sunlight and like room temperature. It can stay fresh for years. We have had no issues with that. So take a good scoop of base gel, as you can see, like this. Very big. Put it onto the cloth like so. Alright, so this is how you would normally do it on your arm, but now we're actually just doing it on the cloth instead. So doing my best to get a really thick layer along the middle, and then I'm gonna slope the edges down like this, so to make it a little less invisible or a little less visible before applying it to my arm, like so. So that didn't take too long. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna transfer it onto my arm, which is of course always easier if you have someone helping you, but I'm gonna try and show you how to do it. So don't slap it on like a pancake or something. Try to like roll it on as smooth as you can. So I'm gonna take it here and I'm gonna actually do maybe like this. I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to pay attention to the camera at the same time. So I'm gonna roll it on like so onto my arm, and now the base gel will start to stick on my skin. So I'm just applying light pressure onto it. I'm not trying to push down too much. I just want it to stick like so. Alright, so now I want to take the cotton cloth off. I'm just going to peel it off like that. It's going to be leaving like a sticky mess. So I'm going to take the water, spray bottle with water. I'm just going to soak it completely in water like so. This will actually release the base gel from the cotton cloth. Alright, I think that should do it. So I'm gonna try and peel it off like this. And there we go. Now all the base gel is actually on my arm. You can see the surface is pretty clear. Looks okay, I would say. And what you can do is just fix these edges real quick so they are a little bit less visible. Yeah, like that. Take some paper towels, just wipe off the excess with my fingers. Gonna put the cloth to the side. I'm gonna take the fire gel, and a good idea is, before opening these up, because they are sealed, is just tapping the bottom to the table to move all the fire gel into the bottom here, because there can be a little bit of pressure in there and it can come out if you don't do this. So just do like that. Flip the cap around, push a hole into it, like so. We have a nice opening right there. So I could just, like you see here, I could just put on a squirt of fire gel here with the normal tube, like so. Or I can actually take the nozzle, screw it onto the tube here, like so, and I can make a wider but thinner patch of fire gel, but it covers a greater area a lot quicker. Like so. Alright. Let's just set this to the side. Boom, I got my water so I can extinguish it really quick. I'm just gonna blow all the fumes away, because the fumes is actually gonna drop down under your arm. So I'm just gonna blow them away real quick and then light it on fire. Alright, here we go. So this makes a really nice crackling sound, as you can hear. And I just feel slightly warm. Nothing is burning. At least nothing that shouldn't be burning. And this is a big patch, so it's gonna last quite some time. I'm just gonna let this burn out. Maybe just fast forward a little bit so you don't have to watch all of it. So yeah, you can see it's slowly dying down now. There's a couple of hot spots, not anything that is dangerous, but along the edges you will be able to feel the heat a little bit more than directly under the fire. So the fire gel has a little bit of isolating properties by itself, and of course there's this exothermic reaction that takes place between the fire gel and the base gel, so it actually cools the base gel off. I hope you'll be able to see everything. I'm trying to do this with my head cam. So yeah, I mean, this last thing just don't want to die out. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna blow it out. And now, as you can also see in the other video, you can actually peel the fire gel off, the residue that is left. Just put it down there. Alright, so not to show you too much of the cleaning, but you can actually put the fire gel on this again and light it up one more time, or as many times as you want to. But what I want to show you now is to get rid of this. Take some paper towels, like you can see, and then just get as much of the base gel off as you can. Like so. Another trick is actually to take the base gel off with the spatula. Scrape it off like this, and then if it's not too charred from the heat, you can actually put it back in your container and use it one more time. So this is a little bit of how you can use the cloth, as you see, and you can dry this up and use it one more time, and you can have multiple patches laying in different sizes and already molded all the base gel to that and apply it to your performance wherever you would need it. But for a show or something like that, it's pretty easy to have a lot of this already set up from the beginning. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. I think I captured or I went over most of the frequently asked questions we have. Feel free to comment down below if you have anything you want to ask about, or go to our website. The link is also in the description below, and our other videos are up here.